Hello. Today's reading is from Oxford Reading Tree. It's titled Safari Adventure by Roderick Hunt and Alex Breichter. Chip and Wilf were tracking Dad. "This is a good game," said Wilf. "Put this in your hat," said Chip. "Dad won't see us. Then we can track him." Chip and Wilf hid in the trees. "Keep down," said Chip. "Here comes Dad." Dad went past. He looked for the boys, but he couldn't see them. Floppy went sniff, sniff, sniff. "Go away, Floppy," said Chip. But Floppy wouldn't go. Chip and Wilf went home. They looked for Biff, but she was not there. The key began to glow. It took Chip and Wilf into a magic adventure. The magic took them to Africa. Some zebra were going to drink at a pool. Chip and Wilf looked around. "A herd of zebra?" said Wilf. "Don't let them see us." Chip saw a lorry by a tree. Some men got out. They began to creep up to the zebra. "What do they want?" said Wilf. "Oh no," said Wilf. "They are going to catch a zebra." "We must stop them," said Chip. He had an idea. "Come on," he said. The boys ran to the lorry. Chip pressed the horn. Beep! It went. Beep! Went the horn again. The zebra looked up. The horn scared the zebra. They ran away. The men were scared too. They ran back to the lorry. "Quick, let's go," one called. "Quick, Wilf," said Chip. "Run!" They ran away. Chip and Wilf hid in a bush. They didn't want the men to see them. The men couldn't start the lorry. Suddenly, a jeep drove up. There were rangers in the jeep. The men jumped out of the lorry and ran away. The rangers chased after them. A ranger shook Chip's hand. "Thank you," he said. "You saved the zebra." The magic key began to glow. It was time to go. It had been an exciting adventure. "Why wouldn't the lorry start?" asked Wilf. "Ha! I took the key," said Chip. And that's the end. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.